Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So this is form filling video for BEL recruitment 2023, which is the gold opportunity for all of you. As you know already, I uploaded a notification video. If you didn't check that, in the comment section you will get the link. Do check my notification video to confirm whether you are eligible or not. Okay, so post this probationary engineer form last date is 28th of October. Carefully watch this form filling video, which is most important, so that you will not make any mistake in document verification. Let's start the video. So before going to form filling, what are documents you require to upload? So first thing is your photo, okay, which should be recent one. Then signature in black ink, mark sheet and certificate. It is or for 10, 12 and BTech that you need to upload, or BSc in jail, okay. Category certificate, if you are from OBC, SC, ST, you need to upload your category certificate, okay. And PWD certificate, if applicable, then you need to upload it. And to fill the information like percentage वगैरह, okay, total marks, maximum marks, 10, 12 graduation marks is required, okay. Now when you will open the link which I am giving in the comment section, this page will open. Here click on the register button first. Okay, then fill post name. For what post you need to apply. The posts are electronics, communication, mechanical, computer science, HR. Okay, so suppose I am selecting here mechanical. Then here you need to enter your full name as per SSC mark sheet. Okay, whatever name is there on SSC mark sheet, spelling वगैरह, that should be same. वो same होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Then after that, whatever mobile number is your active, just fill it. Again confirm the same mobile number. If you have alternate mobile number, then you can fill that. Email address, okay, current active email address, and just confirm it again and click on generate OTP button. It will ask you to fill the captcha. Just fill this captcha and click on submit button. Okay, enter the OTP. You will get in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Then click on validate OTP. Click on OK. After that, click on I agree button and then fill this captcha and click on re-verify. Okay, again it asking to re-verify all the details. So just go up and check once more. ठीक है, very very important. नाम वगैरह सब अच्छे से check करो. And then after that, once you check, just click on this checkbox like this, all the 4 check boxes, and then click on submit button. Okay, click on I agree. Okay, so here you will get your application number. So just note it down, very important. And now click on here, that go to application form. Okay, then on this page you will get your application number, which is not editable. Then directly come and select your gender. Then here you need to select date of birth, okay, from this calendar. So like this you will select your date of birth properly. Automatically they will calculate your age for you, as age limit cutoff date is 1st of September, okay. Then just click on here nationality. Then reservation category, most important, select your category. You are EWS, OBC, SST, whatever category, you can select that, no problem. Then if you are a PWD candidate, then click on yes button. Okay, you need to fill few information like disability type, what is your disability type, then how much percentage you have. Okay, if it is more than 40, then you are eligible for this PWD reservation. If you are not PWD, then just simply click on no button like this. Then if you are ex-serviceman, then click on yes button. Joining date of service, okay, you need to enter, then relieving date and total service period, automatically it will calculate. Otherwise click on no button. Are you intern candidate? Now those aspirant who already selected in BEL, our people are also there as a trainee engineer वगैरह. So you need to select yes button here, okay. Enter your staff number or employment number here and click on your unit where you are currently posted. Only that select. That's it. Okay. Otherwise click on no button if you are fresher or working in other companies. Then okay, here you need to select your marital status. Then religion you need to select. Okay, from this. Yeah, now most important, your exam centers. So 5 exam centers you can choose for your exam. So first you can see here, all over India we have enough number of centers, so no problem in that. So any center you can choose, and then city also you can choose, okay. Andhra Pradesh also we have 4 options. Then in Chandigarh we have also 1 option, okay. Like this, lots of exam centers are there. Karnataka also we have 4 options. Then let's see for Madhya Pradesh also we have 5 options, okay. So like this you will select and you will go next. Then here you need to enter your reimbursement detail. This is applicable only for SST. For Open EWS OBC, it is not applicable. Okay, then next, click on save and next, and now you will get second page where you need to enter your address. So enter proper address, okay. Select your state from here like this, then city from here, and enter your PIN code or postal code number. If it is same that you are permanent, then click on yes button. Automatically all this information will come here. Otherwise, enter your permanent address if it is different. Okay, next we need to fill our educational qualifications. So here you can see very important note point that all the education qualifications should be of regular college, not through correspondence. Okay, so this is most important note point. Then just scroll down and click enter here your 10 detail. Okay, year of passing, where you pass out, then institute name, your college school name. Okay, then here you can select your percentage, marks obtained, how much you got. Suppose I am selecting 85 out of 100. Okay, whatever you are getting in SSC mark sheet, final mark sheet, enter that. Okay, you will get percentage here automatically. Same for 12th and same for degree. Now if you have diploma, then you can just enter your diploma details here. Okay, then just scroll down, select your degree here, and for 12th I guess this is not mandatory, so those who have diploma you can skip this part also, no problem in that. So from here I will select a degree from here. Okay, enter your college name, subject. Now I selected mechanical, that's why I'm getting mechanical option. Okay, then year of passing, what is your pass out year, and percentage you will select. Again you will enter your obtained percent and maximum percentage, it will come like this here. Okay, those who completed MTech and other degree, you can just fill your qualification details here. Okay, if you are working somewhere in PSU वगैरह or any private company, you can enter your details like here. Now very important thing that those who are working in government departments, PSU and autonomous bodies, you need to produce NOC, okay, at the time of interview, otherwise you will be out of the race, okay, at the time of interview. So this is more note point. Just click on add new row and you can select your experience, or like just click on this button. Okay, so name of the organization, type of organization, post scale, start date of service, end date of service, pay scale. So these are the information you need to fill. Okay, see here they are asking that if you are not producing NOC, then you are not eligible to apply. Simple. Okay, next step is uploading. So as I already told you in the start that what documents you need to upload, your photograph here. Okay, just click on here upload button, it will directly means and select your photo, then signature here, then your 10 class sheet and mark sheet. Okay, 12th class certificate or mark sheet and degree is most important. Okay, and also caste certificate for SC candidate. For PWD you will get button disability certificate, you need to upload all the details here. Then here you will see payment details. Okay, application fee for SSC there is no fee, so that's why it's come 0. For general EWS OBC 1180 is the fee. Okay, just scroll down, then click on all these check boxes and then enter the captcha and click on final submit button. Okay, again click on I agree button. Okay, so you will get your full form here. Just click on print button, save your application properly. It will require at the time of interview. Okay, so this is all about your whole form filling process of bail. Those who are from your EWS OBC, you need to pay form fee after that, and you can pay via UPI also, credit card, debit card, lots of options are there, no need to worry. Okay, so now the next video will be your preference strategy, that how you can get this defense sector. Already I am giving selection consistently in defense sector PSUs like HAL, then BDL, and now definitely this is my target, BEL. Already I have given selection for contractual posts, but you are lucky that this year they are hiring permanent posts. So do study hard for this. We will try hard to get maximum number of seats out of 205 or whatever. All the best.